Here's how to make faceless YouTube videos with minimum effort in just a few minutes. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I make content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. A lot of people are wondering if it's possible to create YouTube videos without having to show your face. Basically, faceless YouTube videos, because they see all those YouTubers out there, making a ton of money, making a ton of videos, a ton of money, and they all seems to be showing their face in front of the camera. And people are wondering, well, do you really have to show your face in order to make YouTube videos and be successful? And the short answer is no, you don't have to. There are a ton of different ways you can make great YouTube channels, great YouTube videos, and you don't have to show your face. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you one example in this video. But there are a lot of tools out there that will allow you to create really professional looking YouTube videos, and we are going to look into this inside of this video. So let's get right into it. If you check this particular channel here, it has 1.8 million subscribers. It's called Ways and How. This channel has been around for quite a little while now. And if you check some of those content that they are posting, it's mainly health related content. But if you check the videos, you will see that in none of the videos does the creator of this channel show his face. He's basically using stock footage like pictures and videos that are created out there that he can just use. He pay a license fee to be able to reuse those videos and pictures. But none of those videos, as you can see, show his face. And he's targeting particular keywords on YouTube, because as you know, YouTube is more than just a video sharing websites, it's also a search engine. So he's targeting different keywords in the health niche, like how to gain weight fast for skinny guys or girls, rope jumping benefits, heart healthy foods, 10 things you should avoid after working out. So he's creating videos targeting different keywords and long tail keywords, and a lot of his videos do get a decent amount of views, as you can see. And if we check one of his videos, you will see that, as I've said, none of those videos does he show his face. He's just narrating an article, and then you get to see some background of footage, pictures and videos that are stock footage of pictures and videos. So if you check some of the analytics on this particular channel, you will see that they get around 63,000 daily views and about 1.9 million views over the last 30 days. So about 2 million views per month and around 63,000 views per day. If I bring up my calculator here, this is a health related channel. So I'm guessing they are most probably getting a CPM, RPM around $3. So every YouTube channel does not get the same amount of money in terms of YouTube AdSense. Some niches will get higher RPM, some niches will get lower RPM. For example, if you have a channel in the entertainment niche or the vlogging niche, so maybe your RPM or CPM will be much lower. But if you have a channel that are in a specific niche, like this one for example, which is in the health niche, the CPM and RPM will normally be a bit higher than normal. And this channel, I reckon, is most probably the person behind this channel is most probably earning about $3 to $5 at least per 1,000 views. So he's getting around 63,000 views per day. So let's say he's getting $3 per 1,000 views. So he's most probably making close to $200 per day with this channel. And if we go through his description, he also has a link to his Amazon page where he's selling some other products off of Amazon. So he has two sources of income from that one channel alone. And I'm going to show you that, how to do those kind of videos, because those kind of videos are actually very easy to create. He's just using a simple tool that will do 90% of the work. And those videos look very, very professional. And that's what we're going to look into right now. So the tool that this channel was using is this tool here called InVideo.io. If he was not using this tool, he was most probably using a tool that is very similar to this one. And what InVideo does is it's an online video creation and video editing tool that allows you to create different kinds of videos. For example, video ads, intro videos, you can create business presentations, slideshows, you can create video collages, webinar promos. So different kinds of videos that you can create using this online tool. And this is a tool that is widely popular among digital creators. It's not an expensive tool. It only costs between 15 to 30 bucks per month. They even have like a free plan that you can use. And this is the tool that this channel was most probably using, or at least a tool similar to this one that they are using to create those videos that I showed you. And how exactly can you use this tool to create those kind of videos? I'm going to show you. So how can you get started with this? So step one, you need a script or an article. So basically in video, you can create videos in so many different ways. You can create video from scratch by selecting different scenes and all of that. But one way that is easy to create videos is to simply give InVideo a script or an article, and they will turn that article or script into a video. And that's exactly what you're going to do. So step one is to find a script, or write down a script, an article, or simply find an article out there. So what you can do is you can go on Google and simply type a particular long tail keywords that you want to create your videos about. For example, I type in benefits of walking every day, and there's a bunch of different articles that showed up. So let's say we were to open this one. So once you've opened that article, you would go through it and see if the article is a good one. So this one, what are the benefits of walking? Number one, burn calories, and explain it a little bit. Strengthen the heart, can help lower your blood pressure, and so on. So this is a fairly good article that you could use. So what you can do is you can simply copy this URL, and you want to go back to InVideo. Now step two is you want to import that article into InVideo so that they can create a video out of it. So what you want to do is when you want to click here where it says text to video, just click on that, and then you want to choose whichever format you want. So since we would create a video for YouTube, you want to select the wide dimension, and then you can choose different kinds of videos. So you can go through some of those templates and see which one is like the one that you want to create. Okay, so let's say we were to pick something like this one. So let's click on this, and let's say we use this template. So once you click on that, you will be brought to this particular page here where you would be asked to add a headline or add your URL or add your media files here. So what you want to do, you want to click on the middle one, and you want to add your URL. Once you've done that, you will see that InVideo has basically added the whole article to its database here. And what you can do, you want to click on auto summarize. And what will happen next is you will see that InVideo has added the article to its database here, and you will see the whole article is here. And what you can do now is click on auto summarize, and what will happen is InVideo will make like a summary of that long article, and will take some of the best bits in that article to create its videos from. So you can simply click on auto summarize, and in just a few seconds you will see that InVideo has created several scenes based on several pieces of this article. Now, one very important thing that I need to tell you is if you're going to do it like this, you need to at least change the article a little bit. You need to rewrite some of the things that are in here. You can't just go online and take somebody else's article and then use it word for word on other platforms. So you're gonna have to change a little bit of the wording and maybe rewrite the whole thing. Go through some of those pieces of article and rewrite them so that it's more unique to you. So you don't want to just copy paste somebody else's article and put it in here. So what you want to do is you could go through each one of those headlines and then rewrite some of the things that is written in here. But if you don't want to do that, you don't want to have to rewrite everything, then what you can do, you can simply copy each one of those lines, and you could use a particular tool here called Quillbot. And what this tool will do, it will rewrite sentences and paragraphs for you. So for example, if I go into InVideo and let's say I highlight this one, walking can offer numerous health benefits to people of all ages, fitness levels. I copy this and I go to Quillbot and I paste it here and I click paraphrase. And what will Quillbot do is they will rewrite this particular sentence for us. So this has now been changed to people of all ages and fitness levels can reap several health benefits from walking. That's good enough. Simply click copy, go back to InVideo, and you want to paste it here. Okay, so you want to do that for several of those different pieces of article in here. For example, let's say we were to pick this one. Walking can help you burn calories. Copy this one, go back, paste, and paraphrase. You can burn calories by walking. Simply copy. Let's go back and let's paste it here. There you go. So you want to do that again for several of those pieces of content. Once you've done that, once you've rewritten some of those pieces of content, simply click on go to storyboard, click OK, and then give it a few seconds or a few minutes for it to create your video based off of those pieces of articles. So once all the scenes have been populated, you will be brought to this particular page here where you will see all the scenes have been created for your video. As you can see, there are 43 scenes that have been created from your article, and the video will last about 4 minutes. So if you will see that all the videos will be created based on what was written in the article. So one thing you should do is from time to time you should go through some of the scenes and see if what is being shown is appropriate to what is being written, what is written down, because sometimes some of the scenes might not make sense or might not be totally appropriate. So you want to go through each scene and change up some of the things that need to be changed if this is necessary. So, but once you've done that and you've edited everything that needs to be edited, now you have your scenes up there, and you will know how long the video is going to be, and you can simply download that video in whichever quality format that you want, and you will have your video created, and the whole thing only takes about a few minutes to do so. So once you've had your videos, you can simply download it to your computer and then upload it on your YouTube channel, and then you can do this again and again and again and again. Obviously, you should also upload a good thumbnail and work on your description and all of that, but as you can see, it's very simple to create one of those kinds of videos that I just showed you in this video. So there are numerous ways to create those faceless YouTube videos, and I'm gonna make more videos in the future to cover some of the other ways of doing it. But as I've showed you in this video, this is one of the easiest ways to do it, and the videos look very professional and they are very quick to create. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video and you've liked what you've learned in this video. Don't forget to give that video a like. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.